What if Panasonic finally built the compact camera every serious creator has been waiting for, but never actually expected to see? Today, we're diving into the Panasonic LX100 III leaks, and things are getting interesting. We're talking a new sensor, a Leica zoom, 4K at 120 frames per second, and even whispers of 6K. If half of this is true, this little camera could replace an entire kit for travel filmmakers and street photographers. I'll break down what sounds credible, what borders on fantasy, and the one rumored feature that could change how you pack for every trip. Stick around, the slow motion section at the end might be the reason you sell a lens. The LX100 family has been a unicorn. Large sensor performance in a compact body, tactile controls, and a lens that basically behaves like a small prime. Most compacts use tiny 1-inch sensors. LX100 models used a micro 4/3 sensor, which is far more capable in low light and gives that pleasing background separation. That's the whole point. You get serious image quality without lugging a bag. If Panasonic pulls off a real generational leap here, it's not incremental, it's freeing. Light pack, big image. Here's what the rumor mill is saying and why people are excited. Expect a new larger micro 4/3 sensor bumped to around 20 to 25 megapixels, improved readout to keep noise down, and a Leica branded zoom that keeps fast apertures across the range. Autofocus is reportedly upgraded with phase detection and better tracking borrowed from Panasonic's higher-end bodies. The big headline for video, 4K at 120 frames per second, and whispers of 6K recording options for oversampling. Heat management improvements are also mentioned, which would be mandatory if Panasonic wants sustained high frame rate captures without shutdowns. Imagine pocket slow motion at 4K 120 with 10-bit color and decent rolling shutter performance. For solo filmmakers and travel creators, that's huge. You get clean slow motion for B-roll, better internal grading flexibility, and a tiny B camera that won't ruin your shoulder on long days. If 6K oversampling appears, expect even crisper 4K output with more room for stabilization and reframing in post. The caveat: internal codecs, record limits, and thermal throttling are where rumors often lie. I'm hopeful, but I want to see sustained 4K 120 tests before I call it a home run. What I love about the LX100 lineage is the physicality. Aperture ring, shutter dial, direct tactile control. The leaks say Panasonic won't lose that identity. Expect a refined rangefinder-style body, updated EVF, and that same hands-on layout that makes shooting feel intentional. For street photographers and people who hate menu diving, that's huge. Also, expect improved ergonomics, a brighter articulating screen, and better grip. If the Leica lens stays optically excellent, sharp, well-corrected, with pleasing bokeh, this camera will feel like a real photographic tool, not a gadget. Timing looks like late 2025 to early 2026. Price in the premium compact range around $1,200 to $1,500. Is it worth it? If you want a pocketable camera that behaves like a proper stills and video tool, and you value physical controls and image quality over telephoto reach, wait for this. If you need obsessive autofocus speed for action sports or ultimate low-light performance that only full frame can provide, this might not replace your main body. My takeaway: the LX100 III could be the most exciting compact for creators in years, but treat early specs as promises until we test them. Drop a comment. Which rumor hooks you most, 6K or 4K 120? If you want the review the moment it arrives, hit like and subscribe. I'll be on it the second Panasonic makes it official.